Hello guys, what I'm doing now, I installed the roofing cuffing. The cuffing is the last parts of a roofing installation when you are using the shingles. So I use 4 nails in every cup. So two in the middle, both one in the side, and two also in the front side. That's the way how we install the capping, guys. If you notice, I have also a guideline for that. So before I install, I mark the line for that so that it will straight and it will not crooked. So that's the way how we install the capping, guys. This is the final touch for the roofing. Luckily, we finished this job during the rainy season. We did this roofing job because the owners always force